In front of me is Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then open your Play Store. Now tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in left upper corner, and then select My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated. Let me tap Android. And as you can see, we've got 2 of them right now, so you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, just like that. Now you can smoothly use your device in a normal way. It will be installed automatically in the background, so you can use your phone, like play game, watch some movie, search the browser, call your friend, just do whatever you want to, and then if you will open the Play Store, you will be able to see the progress again. And that's it. As you can see, now it has been done. You can also update all apps that you have in the list by tapping on Update All, and it is working the same way. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.